Right, so this was the window opening that you saw in the previous videos, where he brought this down and moved that up, brought that down that way, and moved this down this way. And he's got it almost prepped for the priming, but as you can see, that looks factory. Definitely doesn't look factory when it's primed. But I mean, he's got it almost metal all the way to the edges. It's really nice. And I guess he's got to do something similar. Oh, he did it already. He did this pillar already, Max?
Yeah, we still have to finesse it, but it's getting there.
Yeah, so he had to bring this pillar in a little bit. So it's really nice. I mean, it would look fine if you didn't do that, but like I said, it's a difference between it being perfect if somebody's really examining the car, as opposed to being okay. Again, a lot of people wouldn't even notice these little details, but I think overall, when a car like this is finished, when it is so perfect, the fitment of everything, even a layperson, even though they can't quite put their finger on it, why it looks so good, that's the reason. Anyway, coming along very nicely.